All right, guys, today we're going to talk about the Bolt products I have right behind me. These are some pretty cool products. They have a lot of different applications and a lot of different formats you can use them in. But the products in general, the Bolt products, we've been selling probably for about 5 years now. We sell quite a bit of them. What it is you have trailer hitch locks, your pin locks, your pin coupler locks for your trailer hitches. You also have cable locks up top that are for like tying up your ladder racks and things like that. And then we got a bunch of other products as well that we don't carry in here. But we're just going to pretty much talk about the trailer hitch locks, the pin coupler locks, the padlocks, and the cable locks for the ladders. They all work the same. This is very simple. It's not a very complicated video here for you, but we're just going to talk about them and kind of give you an overall review and what we think about these products in general. All right, so let me give one of these hitch locks. So this right here is one of their Bolt trailer hitch locks. It's actually these right here that you see behind me. They're called receiver locks, okay? They work for many different makes and models of vehicles. So these receiver locks right here, we get a lot of people, who have hitches, trailer hitches, and for their trucks and things like that. So every time they come in asking for keys for their trailer hitch lock, I'm saying, hey, well, I got this really cool thing over here. Let me show you. And basically, these are called receiver locks. They have a 1/2 inch and a 5/8 inch. This is a 5/8 inch. The 1/2 inch is shorter, and the 5/8 inch is longer. So these right here are the 1/2 inch ones. If you notice, the hook's quite a bit bigger than the other one. They're bigger in diameter, and they're longer. Now, something I didn't realize till after I bought quite a few of them is that hardly anybody buys the 1/2 inch ones. Everybody buys the 5/8 inch ones because these other ones don't fit a lot of applications unless it's a smaller truck. So what it is, though, is your key that starts your car can open your hitch lock. So all it is very simple how it works, too. You just open this cap here. There's a little piece of plastic over this. You pop it off. You take your key. You stick it in there. Crank it 360. It's keyed. That's it. Simple as that. And now your trailer hitch lock, or your receiver lock is what they call it, now works with your car key. You turn the key, pops out, and then it pops back in, and that's how that works. You can also use them on on these padlocks here too. So you have a padlock on your gate to your property, to your ranch or whatever. You get out of your truck real quick, take your key to your car, pop the padlock off the gate, and you're good to go, right? So it's very convenient to have this kind of stuff, especially if you have like a a work van. And you have ladders on top, and you have to have keys for your ladders, keys for your trailer hitch locks, keys to start your car, keys, right? Everything's keys. Well, these up here, these cable locks up top, they have basically you can wrap your ladders around the top of your vehicle and secure it with one of those cable locks. And same key that works that, start your car, same key that works that, can open your receiver lock, and it can even work some padlocks. And then they also have the pin coupler locks, which are these right here. They're called coupler pin locks. These are made so you put it on the end of your trailer so someone can't just come and hook up to your trailer and take your trailer away. It just locks into the trailer and makes it have to have a key to take it off so that they can hook it up to their vehicle and take it away. So pretty cool technology. Like I said, we've been selling them for about 5 years. So they have the major ones that we sell are the coupler pin locks like this, the receiver locks, which they have a 5/8 inch, a 5/8 and a 1/2 inch. I would not recommend using the 1/2 inch. Just buy the 5/8 inch because the 1/2 inches don't fit on a lot of them. So that's why we have a lot of 1/2 inches and hardly any 5/8 inch ones. So they have the pin coupler locks, the receiver locks, the padlocks, the cable locks for your ladders. They also have some cool things for Jeeps and things like that, off-road vehicles. They have a pamphlet, which I don't have any with me, but they have a pamphlet that shows all that. You can go to their website and check it out, the Bolt products. But overall, I'm going to give you a rating on it and tell you what I think about them. They're durable. They are very, very easy to use. You literally stick the key in, turn it 360, it's done. It's keyed. You can't rekey them, though. Once it's done, it's done. But like I said, they're durable. They're easy to use. They're easy to rekey. They're versatile because you have them for all different types of vehicles. Like this one's for Chevy, Cadillac, Buick, and GMC. This one's for Mercury, Ford, Lincoln. Those are for Toyota. These are for the newer Lincoln and Fords, the high security keys. So they have as they come out with different types of keys and for trucks and things like that, they make the newer models and then they label them so you can sell one for whatever type of vehicle it is. So you do have to buy the one that corresponds with your type of vehicle. But let's go ahead and get to rating them. I already told you all the positives about it. There isn't any really negatives, except for that the 1/2-inch ones, you can hardly ever have a use for those because they're just too small. So I would say there's really no negatives. They work good, they're durable, they last long, they don't break easily. They even have dust covers to protect it. They're hard, they're tough, durable. So yeah, I would say on this, I'm gonna give it 5 padlocks because this is a pretty good product. Like I said, we've been selling it for years. We've sold tons of them. I don't think we've ever had anything returned unless a customer messed it up, turned the key or something and put it in halfway or something weird. But yeah, we have no problems with them. So if you're looking for that convenience of not having to carry a bunch of keys for your ladder rack, your padlocks, your trailer hitches and all that stuff, you can use one key, your car key, and it can control them all. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully this helps you out and answers some questions you were having about these Bolt products. And we appreciate you tuning in as always. Don't forget we're on all the social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, or X, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. We also have 2 other channels, Udropreneur and our Guardian Safe and Lock channel. And we appreciate the support as always. Thanks for tuning in.